pancake in the air. Make dinner with red wine. Ganyan lang ang buhay, guys. Enjoy life to the fullest. Kahit maghimo ka ng pancake, enjoy mo imong life. No dull moment para happy. Ayan, guys. Request kasi ni Ponso yan na magawa daw kami na ako ng pancake para sa dinner. Gusto niya ay blue ang kulay ng pancake. Kaya blue pancake with red wine. Tip natin siya, guys. That's how to make a pancake. It's a Danish pancake for dinner. Or hot cake. Enjoy watching, guys.